vinegar and my bottle. So I make the salad dressing. I use that on my salads. That's what I'm prepping right now. I still gotta wash my dishes, so I'm washing my dishes. I still wash dishes by hand. So I want to wash what I've used so I am able to continue in the kitchen. So yes, I'm still washing dishes by hand. Dishes are done and clean. Yeah, my clean dishes. So then the dish drainer to dry. Now we are going to continue with making our salad dressing. So I have salad dressing. I need the right measurements. So do I need a teaspoon? These are all my measurements I know I'm going to need for this. And it says, this has all the markings alright. This tells you where the vinegar line is. This tells you where the water line is. And this tells you where the oil line is. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully you can. But I still have to measure everything. Okay, instructions. Pour vinegar to V-line. And the V-line adds up to 1/4 cup. Vinegar line. There we go. Almost poured too much. Well, I did pour a little bit more too much, but that's okay. I'll have a less water now, more vinegar. And pour water to water line. Okay. I'll use a cup. It's not too much vinegar as it is. A little bit too much. So water, here we go. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Water line as usual. I did go a little bit too much, but that's okay. And then it says add the packet. So I'm adding, oh, it says black and W. Okay, so I'm adding. I have water and vinegar. There's a line to tell you where to stop. And now it's the add the ingredient to it. Now that the ingredient is in there, it says cover, shake vigorously until well blended. Okay. This is the cover it came with. Now I gotta do some shaking. Make sure it's covered properly because I don't want it all over me. Okay. I think we're good. But for safety, I'll point it away from my phone. Vigorously. Then uncover. And it say add the oil. Add oil to O line. Okay. Turn it around. Vinegar line, water line, oil line. So now oil is going in. Let's see. Don't want to go over. So I gotta pay attention. Oil, oil. Boom. Did I get it? No, you can hardly see the line. Right here. Oh, right there. Wow, I'm good. I am good like that. Okay. Cover again. Now we gotta mix everything. Okay. We gotta make sure this is covered properly because I don't want that to go everywhere. Now we gotta shake to mix. And this is my homemade salad dressing. This one is the garlic herb. thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe, share, and I will see you in another video. Thanks, bye.